I know you guys, it was in the video, but I want to make sure everybody understands how to do a couple of these. Voices off, please. Okay, so what you're doing is you're going to find slope, several, graphs, tables, ordered pairs, and we're trying to figure out who actually killed Lord Crumpet. Like that's what we're doing. So for number 1, we have a graph here, but there's no points, right? So I know in the video they explained to you how to put points on the graph, but in case you've forgotten, you look for perfect intersections. So I'm going to use the origin because that happens to be a perfect intersection. And then I'm going to use this point here because this happens to be a perfect intersection. I mean, I could keep going on the line, right? All these perfect intersections. It doesn't matter which ones you use because when you simplify, you're still all going to get the same answer, which would be up 2 over 1. So my slope is 2 over 1. So this is the answer for the first one. This tells us that the killer's name has an A in it. So if you go to the back of the last page, it kind of got flip-flopped around. You can cross out any names that don't have A's. So not Fred. Not Tim. And it's not Bob. Everybody else has an A. Okay. And then for this one, take a look up here, please. My third period students were like, I don't get it. Like, you literally just find this point on the graph, and that's the letter that goes with it. So it's not even slope. It's just, can you find a point on a graph? Okay. So like 5, -6 is where the letter F is. Right? Okay, turn to the next page. The letters got cut off for these 2 graphs. So this would be letter A and this would be letter B. You find the slope, and then if the slope is down at the bottom, you put the letter that goes with that slope. Please pay close attention. Not all letters will be used. So you might find a slope, and then it's not down here in part of the clue. So just move on to the next one and keep trying to find the different slopes. Okay? So we have graphs, tables through 2 points. Remember, this is the m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 that we did yesterday. And then the last one here, you find the slope, and then you color in whichever numbers match up with the slope, and then it will get whatever image appears will give you a clue. And then all the details about the potential suspects are on the back here. Questions? Okay, you guys got this. Go ahead and get to work. Find out who killed Lord Crumpet.